Good day everyone. So today it's a little bit chilly here in the backyard, so I am going to plant some tulip bulbs here in the garden. So I bought this bulb from Walmart. So this is the assorted, it's called flag assorted, 20 pieces of bulb in one pack for $9.97. And this one right here is the same price. It's $9.97 for 20 pieces of bulbs. And this one is called Angelic. This is a very popular in the garden of so many people in here, that people that are gardeners. So I am going to plant it in here. But these Angelic tulips, I have planted this last year and I really like it, so that's why I'm adding more here in the pod area. So alright, so I'm going to do this and I hope you will join me. Oh, what's the reason? Hydrangeas. Six inches. So here is the bulb. So just make sure when you plant your tulip bulbs, the pointy tip, which is this one right here, is pointing on the top, and the flat bottom is going to be on the bottom. So you just place them like that. Oops. How many in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12. There you go. And then we'll just cover it up. So this is about 10 to 15 centimeter or 4 to 6 inches deep, and 4 inches apart. So after you place your bulb, just cover it up. So this is the flag assorted color. This is the bulb, so I am going to plant it in this area. So yeah, just make sure pointy tip on the top, flat bottom, place it on the bottom. So we're just gonna cover it slowly. That's it. That's how simple and easy it is on how to plant a tulip bulbs. There you go. Okay, that's it. There. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!